Nature Senses is a unique retreat that's close to the city but magically far away from its stresses. Farm of your dream in the lap of Mother Earth. Nature Senses is closer and better connected to Bangalore, located near Hosur. Just over an hour's drive away from city, Nature Senses offers you a natural lifestyle on the outskirts of the city. More than just weekend homes or holiday getaways, we offer you freedom from the cramped spaces, traffic jams and polluted skies of the city. Imagine walking through woods and fruit-bearing trees. Each home at Nature Senses will have its own wooded charm.
This is a gated community, totals to 100 acres of land, where the minimum land area that we have is quarter of an acre. On quarter acre of land, we give you timber plants and fruit-bearing trees. This is completely fenced property. We have security 24/7. We have facilities like we have a Goshala, we have an organic vegetable garden. We are coming up even with Core Resort. Customers can come and stay, avail this facility.
Soil of nature. Man has depleted and forgotten nature. This is a very, very wonderful project, and happy to see so much of lung space. And when you buy a land in the city, there is no oxygen, only carbon dioxide and air. When you come, you can breathe the lung space, and it's a wonderful, wonderful project.
I spend my weekends, quality time in this Nature Senses farm. The farm is equipped with all the eco-friendly things. It's the best way to spend in the weekends, and I have not seen such a beautiful farm in or around Bangalore. I would like to see every one of you as my neighbor in this eco-friendly and environment-friendly project.
The lifestyle at Nature Senses allows you to be truly in touch with nature without losing the creature comforts of everyday life. And when your mind has had its fill of bird song and longs for some revelry, invite good friends to share the good times. Get hands-on organic farming to roast delicious barbecues. Here you will find a perfect spot to create shared sunlit memories and evenings to remember.
Nature Senses. It's a farm of happiness and a farm full of promises. It's amidst of nature, beautiful, serenity, what not in here.
I am a parent and I have found it coming here very, very beneficial to my child. He plays around with the cows, the pets around, and I have found that it opens up a part of his childhood which is not available in the city life.
We walk into Nature Senses is that there is a beautiful area of land, and what we see, there are lots of trees, and the best part about the land is that you stand anywhere, you get a very, very nice breath of fresh air.
So you just come here for a weekend. It's a very unwinding experience to relax and all. Then you can go back refreshed and recharged for our new week.
Nature Senses remains safe and secure within a fence around the whole 100-acre stretch. A grand entry greets you and welcomes you to the farms. With overhead tank and borewell water, the farms make a livable space. An integrated network for 30 to 40 feet wide roads connects parts of the farms with the whole. Solar street lighting and rainwater harvesting pits add to your eco-friendly farmhouse experience. Your experience at the farms does not remain confined to great outdoors alone. With pool, rain dance, indoor games, coffee shop and restaurant, amenities combined with nature's bounties to give you optimum living experience.
Nature Senses is a unique farmland weekend home concept. This is a 100 acres complete green patch, and we have a 12 acres eco resort coming up here. We have a beautiful model farm where you can visualize how the quarter acre you can plan your activities.
I come here with my family and friends. There's so much to do here and so much place to run around. Me and my friends love to play with the cows and the other animals. We love Nature Senses and we know you will love it too.
Welcome to Nature Senses. Come and explore your weekends.
Celebrate every moment of your life. Own a managed farm at Nature Senses.